Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an iPad with a cellular plan and current iOS. Open Settings, tap Cellular, and enable cellular data. This allows internet sharing. Next, select Personal Hotspot and toggle it on so devices can connect. Make sure you set a recognizable network name and a strong password. This prevents unauthorized use and keeps speed stable. Once done, observe the displayed Wi-Fi name and password, so you can quickly share them with devices you want to connect. With the hotspot active, you connect other devices using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB depending on the device and needs. On the client device, choose the iPad's Wi-Fi name and enter the password you created. If Bluetooth pairing is preferred, pair both devices first and enable internet sharing. For a direct tether, plug the iPad into a computer via USB and choose the iPad as the network interface. Make sure to watch the connected devices list in Settings so you know who's using your data. To finish, manage and secure the hotspot. Limit the number of connections, monitor cellular data usage, and close the hotspot when finished to save battery and data. If a device won't connect, first toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then reconnect the client. If that fails, restart both devices. As a last resort, reset network settings on the iPad to clear conflicts. Remember, changing the hotspot password forces reauthentication, which often resolves lingering connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.